Alright, welcome back to day 3. We're going to find the surface area of pyramids and cones. Now we've already found surface area of pyramids, of a square pyramid specifically. So I'll talk about the formula, but I'm not going to do any example problems. So for a cone, we have pi r squared plus pi r times L. Now r is the radius still, and L is the slant height, okay? So if I look at a picture here of like this cone, the slant height is the diagonal coming off of it, okay? Not the height from the vertex to the middle of the base. Okay. So, and again, it makes sense that this is, if I want to find the surface area, we have a circle, right? And then we have the curvy part here that's going to come out, okay? Now the surface area of a pyramid is the area of the base plus 2 times the side length times the slant length, okay? So we've kind of gone over this formula a little bit. It might look slightly different. Again, there's lots of different ways to write these formulas, so if you'd rather have a different formula, let me know and we can talk about that, okay? But let's just talk about the cones for right now. So find the surface area of this cone. So the surface area of the cone is pi r squared plus pi r L, okay? So r in this case equals 5, and the slant height equals 9.4. Okay, you might not have that written in your notes, but you can go ahead and write it in. The slant height is 9.4. So I'm going to plug in. So you have pi, r is 5, so 5 squared plus pi times 5 times the slant height, which is 9.4. Okay. Now I'm going to pop it in the calculator the way that I've taught some of you guys, because certain calculators do not do everything that I do. So pi r squared is going to be 78.54 plus, I'm going to do the second part. So pi times 5 times 9.4, and that's 147.65, and then I'm going to add those two together. Now some of you can, if you have a calculator like mine, you can just add that all up on one step. But if you do not have a calculator like mine, you want to do it step by step like this, okay? So that way you're not messing up. So that's how you find surface area. So let's go ahead. I'm going to let you guys try to find the surface area, and I will tell you the answer so you can kind of check your work, okay? So you can go ahead and pause the video, even though I'm going to type in for a second, so you'll actually have a chance here. Okay, so if you get here, the surface area of this cone is 48.8 centimeters squared. This one should also be centimeters squared, okay? So if you did not get this right, pull me over and we can talk about it, okay? All right, my real world example. The wrapper of a drumstick, so you guys all know a drumstick is a ice cream cone, right? So the wrapper of my drumstick goes around this. Has an area, so the surface area is 159 centimeters squared. The radius of the cone is 4 centimeters. Find the slant height, okay, of the cone to the nearest tenth. So I have this formula, SA equals pi r squared plus pi r L, right? Well, they give me the surface area is 159. Pi r squared is going to be pi times 4 squared plus pi times 4 times L. And I'm trying to find L. Oops, sorry guys. So the first thing is, I'm going to do pi times 4 squared and 4 pi. So I get 159 equals, here, pi times 16, because 4 squared is 16. So I get 50.3 plus 4 pi is going to be 12.57 L. So now this is a two-step equation, okay? So I need to subtract 50.3 from both sides. So I'm going to do 159 minus 50.3, and that is 108.7 equals 12.57 L. Now I need to divide both sides by 12.57 L, or I'm just by 12.57, sorry guys. Okay, so I'm going to do 108.7 divided by 12.57, and I'm going to get approximately 8.6 centimeters for my slant height, okay? So that's actually how tall this guy right here is. Go ahead, try the homework, see how you do. Good luck, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye.